Hey guys, let's start talking about how to use Pro Tools. I have Pro Tools 10 over here. In the studio we have Pro Tools 8. It's basically the same. Just remember to turn on the interface before you click on the Pro Tools icon. Otherwise it will give you an error message on Pro Tools 8. Okay, so when you open Pro Tools it's like this, and so we start a session. We choose File, New Session. Okay, for now, I recommend you use 24-bit and 48 kHz of sample rate. And the reason of that, we will talk more about it in the class. Okay, so we press OK. So here it is the place we set up where do you want to save your Pro Tools session, and the system default is untitled. I suggest don't use the system default because it's very easy to get overridden. Okay, so write anything, not using the system default. Good. I save on the desktop. Over here, let's save. Okay, here you see the Pro Tools edit window. If you open a Pro Tools session in the future, it doesn't show up, or you accidentally close the edit window, don't worry. Choose here window, edit. And you can also memorize the hotkey over here. It will save a lot of time. Edit, so click, the window comes back. So on the top of here, there's a couple of panels you see over here. So if some panel doesn't show up, like this one in the studio, sometimes it doesn't show up. This is called the transport panel. So what you need to do is to right click on the blank area on top and choose transport. The transport panel will come up. It gives you the play and the record, all this important buttons over here. Okay, so this is how you open a Pro Tools session. In the meantime, I want you to notice that your Pro Tools session is actually a file folder. So in the future, if you want to, so I set up the file folder here. In the future, if you want to bring your Pro Tools session to another studio, or for example, a multi-million-dollar fine recording studio, you want to bring your Pro Tools session over there for a better mix-up. Remember to bring the whole file folder, entire file folder with you. Do not just copy this file. Okay, so because the file folder contains all the audio file and your setup and maybe video file you have, and groups, the setting, MIDI signals, and all the other edits informations. So if you only copy this Pro Tools file, you won't get the result you already had in other studio. Okay, so let's talk about tracks in the next video.